This is تمرين 4 of lesson 6 الدرس السادس of كتاب أدوات الربط. And in this drill, we're going to look at how to use بعد be and قبل be in a sentence, in these sentences of drill 4. So I'm going to go through the meanings of the words, and remember that of course you have to use ba'd or qabl after or before depending on the context, right? So you're going to choose that. After the be, you're going to add a quantity of time. So it could be an hour, sa'a, it could be a shahr, month, it could be sana, it could be sanatain, 2 years, etc., right? So here نشر كتابه blank الانتهاء من كتابته be blank. Okay, so his book was published blank the end of its writing, or the completion of its writing, by be blank, and then you put an amount of time. قامت ثورة مصر سنة 1952 وكان تأميم قناة السويس سنة 1956. So the Egyptian Revolution occurred in 1952, and the nationalization of the Suez Canal occurred or was in 1956. ومعنى هذا أن تأميم القناة, and the meaning of this is that the nationalization of the canal قد تم, it occurred blank قيام الثورة, okay, be blank, by so many years, okay. So قد تم, it happened, either you're going to use either بعد or قبل, and then قيام الثورة, the occurrence of the revolution, by be blank. Number 3, ثلاثة ولدت سنة 1938 وولد أخي الأصغر سنة 1943. So I was born in 1938, and my younger brother was born in 1943. ومعنى هذا, and the meaning of that, أنني, is that I ولدت, that I was born blank أخي be, and then an amount of years. دفع ثمن السيارة, he paid the price of the car blank استلامها. Okay, استلام means acquisition, or taking over the vehicle, or taking over the merchandise. خمسة نام المريض, so the sick person slept blank تناوله الدواء, taking his medicine, be blank, by such an amount of time. 7 هبطت الطائرة بسبب عطل فني, so the plane landed because of a technical malfunction. blank إقلاعها blank. Okay, so إقلاع is it's takeoff by be blank an amount of time. 8 كنت متعبا فنمت, I was tired so I slept blank وصولي, my arrival, be blank. دفعت له ثمن المنزل, I paid him the price of the house blank كتابة عقد البيع. So you're going to use قبل or بعد, writing the contract of sale, be blank, by a certain amount of time. وصلت إلى الجامعة, she arrived at the university blank خروجها من البيت, leaving the house, so either قبل or بعد, leaving the house, be blank, by this amount of time. تركوا الدراسة, they left studying blank تخرجهم, their graduation, be blank, by this amount of time. مات, he died blank زوجته, be blank, right? So you're gonna say how much, or he died how much before his wife. So or you could say or after his wife. So it depends on how you want to do it, but you have to put the amount of time after B. مع السلامة.